Let's see like how to generate the even numbers in a range. Okay, for example, if I want to generate the even numbers between the range of 4 to 20 means. So for that, what you can do is like I will just mention this here itself. Okay, so now what we'll do is like I just want to generate the even numbers between the range from 4 to 20. Okay, so even numbers list is equal to, then I want the list in a range of 4 to 20. So that means like the difference is 2. Okay, now I will try to run this particular cell. So now we'll try to print even numbers list. Try to run this. So here you can see all the even numbers has been listed from 4 to 20. So this is how you can generate the even numbers from 4 to 20. Okay, so this is also one of the most important questions, like whenever you are trying to attend the interview with respect to the Python development or through some kind of data analysis using the Python, because these are all the very basic Python interview questions. Okay, so don't forget to like this particular video, follow for more.